CIG. This is not really a bug. However, you've implemented wind on Daymar and some other planets, and we seem to have a problem because your ship shakes crazy manner, and that being under the speed of the max safe speed of the ship. So I don't know why it would wobble that much. Anyways, it's just something to think about. Is like reduce the amount of wobble around the ship, the wind effect, I mean, and under the max safe speed, because beyond that it's just annoying. It's just annoying. It's unplayable and it's not interesting. It should augment as fast as you go, and then that would be understandable. But I'm under the max speed. It's like 100 meters per second, and it seems to get along. But if I'm under the max safe speed, I shouldn't be having so many problems flying straight. Thank you, CIG. See you around.